Hey, today I'm showing you exactly how to use a MEXC Referral Code and where to actually find your bonuses once you're in. Because it's not always obvious and a lot of people miss out. So first thing, go to mexc.com and hit Sign Up. You'll enter your email or phone number, and then there's a field that says Referral Code. Type in mexc-secretboost right there. Don't skip this step because once your account is created without a code, you can't add it retroactively. So do it during registration. The moment you're in, that 5% fee discount is already active on every trade you make. You don't need to activate anything, it just works automatically from the start. Now the bonuses are a different story. After you log in, go to the Rewards section in the menu. MEXC has a rewards hub where they list all the tasks you can complete to claim your share of that up to 10,000 USDT bonus. Things like completing identity verification, making your first deposit, executing your first trade, sometimes just exploring certain features. Each task unlocks a piece of the bonus, and they usually come as vouchers or trading bonuses you can use on the platform. The deposit bonus is where the bigger chunks are. The more you deposit initially, the higher the bonus tier you unlock. So if you're planning to fund your account anyway, do it right after registration while the welcome offer is still active. So to recap, sign up, enter mexc-secretboost in the referral field, then head straight to the rewards hub and complete the tasks. That's how you leave nothing on the table. Let's continue if you want to discover two unique crypto exchanges, WEEX and Bitunix. Both WEEX and Bitunix offer competitive trading fees, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and access without mandatory KYC for many core features. New users can also unlock bonuses of up to 10,000 USDT by signing up through my links below and completing the available promotions. Click my links below to join WEEX or Bitunix and claim your exclusive new user rewards.